Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of access failed on the application of WhatsApp. Here we go to settings. In this page here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above here we search about WhatsApp. Then we go to first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account or can cause you errors in your app. Then we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of CapCut. And here, as you see, if you find update in this blue sign, then you can update your app. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.